In this demonstration, we are going to walk through the plan to produce process. We will review a BOM for a product, run master planning, review planned orders, firm a planned production order, estimate the production order, and then review the options for starting, reporting as finished, and ending a production order. So to get started, let's review a BOM for a product. So we are going to click the product information management section, and then we will go to products and then released products. Once the released product details form opens, we are going to search for a specific product. In this case, we will enter D0005 in the filter and select item number. And this produces the car audio system product that we're looking for. So we will select the item number to open the product form. And then in the action pane, we will select the engineer tab. And then from here, we will look at BOM versions. You can see that we have two BOM versions available here. So you can look at the BOM details on each entry here. So now that we've reviewed that, we are going to close the form. And next we are going to run master planning. So to do that, we are going to open master planning and then run and master planning. Once the master planning form opens, we can make selections here. As you can see under parameters, it has already selected static plan. That is the one that we would like to run. So we are going to simply click OK to run it. Now that master planning has been completed, we can look at the Action Center in Dynamics 365 for Finance and Operations, and we can see that the operation was completed and that master planning item coverage has been updated. So we'll close the Action Center, and now we will look at planned orders. So to get started, we are going to go back to Product Information Management, and then Products and Release Products. Once the form opens, we are going to filter down by our item number again. We are going to enter D0005 and select item number, and then we are going to select our item number here. Once the form opens, we are going to click the Plan tab in the Action pane, and then we are going to click Net Requirements in the requirement area. This will show us the results of the master schedule for a specific product, in this case, the car audio system that we've been looking at. We can also change the plan listed here. We want to look at DYN plan, so we will leave this as is. And then in the action pane, we will click the Update drop-down arrow, and we will click Master Planning. Once the master scheduling form opens, we'll review the details here, and then we will click OK. And once the form closes, we can then move ahead with firming a planned production order. So to get started with that, we are going to open production control, and then production orders and planned production orders. Now that the planned production orders form is open, we are going to make sure we have the correct plan selected in the plan field, and then we are going to filter down by our number. So we're going to enter 002494, 4294, and then we'll click number. And you can see that we have a planned production order here. So we'll select the line, and then we'll click Firm in the action pane. In the firming form, we will then review the details, and we will click OK. Once that has been completed, we can click Approve in the action pane. And then we can approve the planned order and click OK. Now that that's completed, we can move forward with estimating our production order. So to get started with that, we are going to open Production Control, Production Orders, All Production Orders. And on this form, we can select the line for our production order, and then in the Production Order tab in the Action pane, in the Process area, we can click Estimate. Once the estimate form opens, we can review the details, make sure that they're correct, and then click OK. After you've estimated a production order, you then have options to start, report is finished, and end the production order. To do all three of these, you'll follow essentially the same process. In the Production Order tab in the Action pane, under the Process section, you can click Start, Report is Finished, and End to open forms and actually proceed with those steps. And then when you're finished with it, you can close the forms.